Repeat your question. Repeat.
The magnetic induction and magnetism fade in a symbol of magnetic material are 1.0 WB meter minus 2 and 2 into
Magnetic induction 1 Weber meter minus 2 and magnetizing field 2 into 10 raised to power 3 ampere meter minus 1. You have to find permeability of the material, relative permeability, magnetic susceptibility, and intensity of metals. This is your question, ना? This is your question. ठीक है. So first we find mu. Mu, what is mu? Magnetic permeability. Magnetic permeability of material. So magnetic permeability of material is the ratio of magnetic induction to the magnetizing field. Magnetic induction to the magnetizing field. Magnetic induction to the magnetizing field is known as magnetic permeability of magnetic material. ठीक है. So mu is equal to B by H. So write value of B and H, then you get mu. Mu is equal to B. Value of B is 1 Weber meter minus 2. H is 2 into 10 raised to power 3. Simplify. Mu is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 2, 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3. ठीक है. So mu is equal to 5.0 into 10 raised to power minus 4. When you shift decimal, 1 digit right, then 1 subtracted from power of 10. So minus 3 minus 1. So mu is equal to 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Mu is equal to 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. है ना? ठीक है. 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Tesla meter ampere minus 1. Tesla meter ampere minus 1. ठीक है. Next, relative permeability. So what is relative permeability? What is relative permeability? The ratio of permeability of medium to the permeability of vacuum. To the permeability of vacuum. Na? The ratio of permeability of medium to the permeability of vacuum is known as relative permeability. So permeability of medium you have calculated 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. ठीक है. And relative permeability of vacuum. Mean what is relative permeability of vacuum? So relative permeability of vacuum is 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7. 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7 Tesla meter ampere minus 1. Tesla meter ampere minus 4. Na? Now simplify this, then you get 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 minus 7 upon 4 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7. ठीक है. So 5 into 7 upon 88 into 10 raised to power minus 4 plus 7. ठीक है. Plus 7. Simplify this. 35 mu r is equal to 35 upon 88. 35 upon 88 into 10 raised to power 3 minus 4 plus 7 10 raised to power 3. ना? ठीक है. So you get 35 upon 88 into 1000. This is Write this 10 raised 4 3. Now divide 35 by 88. Then you get 35 divided by 88. 1 0 4 times 32 and 35. Then 3 times 24 25 26. Subtract 6 8 0 0 9 times 72 79 8 15 6 0 0. No. You get 8 64 or 64 8 64 8 7 7. So you get 1397 into 340. No? So multiply this by 1000. When you multiply this by 1000, then your decimal shift 3 digit rights. So you get 397. So this is your relative probability. 397 of the material. See. Next part, find magnetic susceptibility. Find magnetic susceptibility. So what is the relation between relative permeability and magnetic susceptibility? What is the relation between relative permeability and magnetic susceptibility? What is the relation between relative permeability and magnetic susceptibility? Mu r is equal to 1 plus chi. We have direct relation between mu r and chi. Mu r is equal to 1 plus chi. 1 plus chi. 1 plus chi. So right value. So right value of mu r. Then your chi m become chi is equal to mu r minus 1. So right value of mu r is you will find 397 minus 1. So chi m is equal to 396. The magnetic susceptibility of magnetic material is 396. Now find the intensity of magnetization. Last part, intensity of magnetization. So how we find intensity of magnetization? Which relation we use to find intensity of magnetization? Which relation we use to find intensity of magnetization? From given data. How we find intensity of magnetization? देखिए, magnetic induction of magnetic material given, S given, then we use relation magnetic induction B. Magnetic induction B is equal to mu0 S plus I. You have derived this relation. Magnetic induction is equal to mu0 S plus I. Intensity of magnetization, mu0 times magnetizing field mu0 times sum of magnetizing field and intensity of magnetization ना. तो with the above this relation you can find I. ठीक. तो B upon mu0 is equal to S plus I S plus ना. तो right value तो I is equal to B upon mu0 minus H ना. So I is equal to B. What is value of B? V is 1, mu naught is 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7, H given 2 into 10 raised to power 3. So I is equal to 1 upon 4 into 22 by 7 into when you take 10 raised to power minus 7 in numerator, then it becomes positive. 10 raised to power 7 or 2 into 10 raised to power 3. So I is equal to 7 upon 88 into 10 raised to power 7 minus 2 into 10 raised to power 3. So I is equal to divide 77 by 88. 7 when you divide 7 by 88, then you get 0.07954. You get 0.07954 ठीक है into 10 raised to power 7 minus 2 into 10 raised to power 3 2 into 10 raised to power minus now simplify this. Shape decimal. To subtract this, we make order same. So here order is 3. So here order must be 3. So we shift decimal 4 digit. Right. 4 digit right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I is equal to 795.4 into 10 raised to power 7 minus 4. ठीक है. Minus 2 into 10 raised to power 3. 2 into 10 raised to power 3. ठीक. So this become I is equal to 7.795.4 into 10 raised to power 3 minus 2 into 10 raised to power 3. So I is equal to 793.4 into 10 raised to power 3. ठीक. Ampere meter minus. So this is your intensity of matter. This is your intensity of matter. See you.